it's night, but too dusty as you can see here, guys. You know the reflect of these lights. It is too dusty. I can feel it. It is night now. Cannot see well, but it is too dusty as you can see over here. This is Doha, Qatar. So they call sandstorm. Now, when the sandstorm start, it means that it's almost getting a hot season. You know, hot season here in Qatar is a little bit different. As you can see, that's a Doha city center over there, and that's how it looks like. So I came with metro bus there. Yeah, that's the metro bus over there. So I just came from there, and I'm going to my room. But as you can see, guys, it is too dusty. You see there, these are the pole, flagpole. It's a little bit, as you can hear the sound. Yeah, it's a windy kind of a thing. Yeah, and this is metro station, Bida metro station. We have another one across the road over there. There's another one opposite over there. Yeah, and there's a signal over here. There's a signal over there. Going to Doha city center over there. That's a Doha city center from here. You see the way it looks like. Let me just take a picture of it. Sandstorm have started. Sandstorm have started in Qatar, Doha. Yeah, that's sandstorm. Yeah. So maybe after some few days, you know, we'll be doing this one, meaning we'll be sweating everywhere. So we need AC everywhere. So welcome to Doha, and this is how it is. There's a lift over there. Since I'm recording a video, meaning that I don't need to use a lift. Right now I'm going to the metro station, and this metro station is called Konich metro station. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's yeah, so yeah. Wow, it's 11 o'clock, almost midnight. Yeah, this is how it is. So metro are working until maybe around 1 o'clock midnight. Then they will close. They will go and do some service, and then they will open around again around 6 in the morning. Yeah, 6 in the morning again. There you go. I'm in this facility called metro station. Yeah, you guys are doing maintenance over there also. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, guys, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, and make sure that you share the video that you just watched over here. Yeah. Okay, let me get my card ready. Get my card in my wallet, because I need to scan at the entry. When I'm going to at the entry over there, you need to scan a card. Yeah, for you to use a metro train over here. This is the card that I'm talking about. Yo, we are almost to 4,000 subscribers, guys. I depend on you guys. Support me. Always support my channel, and make sure that you share the video. Make sure that you're subscribed if you're new over here. Yeah. So there you go. See, escalator everywhere. This move very fast. Yeah. Now I'm going to a station called this one is called Musharraf, and now I'm going to the station called Albida. This is where I stay for now. Some shops are already closed. As you can see, these are shops already closed. Yeah, just few shops maybe in some other metro station are open. That's another exit from here, empty exit also. Yeah, and we have another entry and exit on the other hand over there. Yeah. Yeah. Sasa poa sana. So check-in is here. Yeah. I'll check in from there. Then straight to the train. Now the train will be coming after some very few minutes. Yeah. There's some toilets over there if you wanna use some toilets. And then the ladies' toilets on the other hand over there. Okay. So the escalator to the train now. I don't know how many minutes, but maybe I need to wait here for some few minutes before the train comes. Yeah. So where I'm going is this place. Let me show you. I'm going here. This way I'm going. So many. I need to wait for train for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Train there, see? This is the time. That's the time over there. Say 2 minutes for the train to arrive over here. Only 2 minutes. Some 2 minutes only, then the train will be here in 2 minutes. Wow. Let's take out. There's some lift over here. Now we don't have a lot of people here because now midnight, meaning some people are sleeping. Most people work during the day and some work from maybe 7 in the morning until 6 and then they are gone. Yeah. Yeah. So we have two sides. We have this side and also we have the other side over here. This is the other side here. So the train on this side is coming. Train for this side is coming. See? So this is the train coming now. See? That's the train. And my train is coming on the other side also. Yeah. See, they are announced in two languages, English and Arab. So this is our train. My train has now arrived here. This is the train over here. See? We are inside the train. There's a lot of people right now. There's a lot of people. So the place that I'm going is not that far from here. Just some few minutes and I'll be there right now. And still this train connects to the airport. We are almost there. I'll be there.
لا نسمع بها في رايزر بتاعنا
Okay, finally, here we are now. We are in Albida now. We are in Albida. Okay. Now we leave the train now. The train, let me use the lift over there. Yeah. See, the train carries a lot of people and it's flying, going very fast, you know. Yeah, taking the escalator over here. Yeah. So guys, I want to appreciate for those who watch my video, and if you're new to my channel also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, make sure that you share the video, make sure that you leave a comment, you know, and I will be appreciating a lot, guys. I will be totally appreciating. Yeah. And for those who need this Henry's this one, I have a place where they sell them. It's a Kenyan shop where they sell this item. No, I can just, if you need, let me know. You can comment in a section here, and if you're here in Qatar, you're from Kenya or just any other nationality and you need this one, just let me know. I will just get you this one, okay? Because I know a place where you can get this Henry's. Yeah, it's a Kenyan flag for those who don't know. Yeah, it's Kenyan flag. This one to represent Kenyans. A lot of Kenyans people are wearing this one. Yeah. So I'm going to check out over here, and I want to appreciate a lot, guys, for your support and always coming always to watch my returning subscribers. I wanna thank you so much. We are almost hitting 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, we are left only with like 1,000 and something. Yeah, so like, guys, give me that support. Let us hit that 4,000 watch hours and I will be appreciating. This thing is not working. See, so I need to do like this. Yeah, there you go. Stop it. Some ATMs are here, a place to top a card, yeah, a place to withdraw the money, then a place to top up your card, that one over there, or to pay your internet is here. Yeah, guys. Yeah, so this is my exit on this side over here. This would be my exit, and there's a lift over there if you wanna use a lift. But that lift is going to another place. There's another lift at the end over there. I will show you the lift. There's a lift at the end over there. See? There's a lift somewhere over there. If you wanna go up. But for me, since I'm recording, see, I wanna use the escalator always, because I wanna show you around on how it looks like, so that you can get the real picture of this metro train station over here. This metro train station is called Albida. Yeah, you remember the first one when I was in city center? That one is called Konich. Yeah, it's Konich over there. But this one is called Albida. You see the way they built? Very good, very beautiful, you know, guys. Yeah. So guys, I want to show you the lift, where you can take a lift over there. You know, some people, maybe if you are new, In Qatar, you come from that direction, you're coming this way, then maybe you're tired, and you don't know where is the lift. So for the lift, you go straight up until to the corner over there. See, up to this corner. Or let me just use the lift so that I'm supposed to use this escalator. Yeah. But there's a lift over here. Just come press over here. Just give it some few minutes, and it will be here. And just you can stand aside here because maybe someone is coming is coming using the lift. As you can see, someone is inside the lift now. Yeah. So you have to give them a space. Okay, there we go. Then way out the ground, and there we have. That's me over there. Yeah. So let's go outside and let's see what is going on outside there. Then I will be winding this video. Guys, subscribe, watch the video. Once you start watching the video, make sure that you watch the video from the beginning up to the end. And again, I have a lot of videos that you guys need to watch. Go to the rest of the videos, watch all of those videos. So the lift will open and I will be outside. Those are direction. The direction, you have the ACs over here, very powerful AC. Whoa, you see? Yeah, still we have sandstorm, So I'm on the other side now. I was at the city center over there, and now I'm in a place called Albida, and this is where I stay here. This is how it is. So hey, my people, my friends, my subscribers, I want to appreciate a lot. Make sure that you share the video, guys. Leave the comment. Make sure that you are watching this video. So see you. I know now the picture is changing because of the, it's getting hot now. Yeah, humidity. Yeah, from the train, in the train it was too cold because they say, see, when you come outside, there's humidity. Yeah, that's why I see maybe in the camera it was not that clear. Yeah, so I need to wipe my camera each and every time over here. Yeah. So guys, have a nice one. Bye bye. See you in the next one. Yeah. Thank you.